How to change window wipers on a Kia Rio. So here we're just gonna pull this up. So you're gonna just depress, and you're just gonna pull that blade back. So I depress this little piece on the bottom and just pull that wiper blade right off. So there you have a wiper blade off. Now when you go to replace it, again, you're just going to do the same thing in reverse. You don't actually have to depress the clip when you replace it. So you're going to take and just slide this over top, and then it's just going to click right into place. Okay, and that's how you replace the window wiper. You replace the second one. You can see that this is much smaller. Again, same idea. Just depress this little piece on the bottom, and you're just going to pull that blade off the wiper. So there you have it. Wiper's off. You would take the new wiper and you would take that little piece in there, just slide this over, and replace the wiper blade like that. It's easy as that. Alright, thing to mention would be, notice that this wiper on the passenger side is smaller than the driver's side. I'll give you part numbers and sizes below, and hopefully this helps, and good luck. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, or any suggestions you want to see minor repairs on your cars, just let me know. Alright, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.